How's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the yDreamj full body case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. So yes, this is yet another inexpensive case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. And in fact, this is the last inexpensive case I'm going to take a look at for you guys, because I had like 3 more lined up, but then I realized they're all pretty much variations of other cases that I've already picked up. So I figured, why not just narrow it down to the 4 different types of case. So this one is a full protective case. So what does that mean? You get full protection around the sides, the top and the bottom and the back, and you get a built-in screen protector for the front. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So typical as to what I always do, I already cracked all the tapes and seals off camera just to make the unboxing experience a little faster. But talking about the packaging, I have to say the packaging is decent. So on the front here, you see we got a picture of the case on the device, and then we just go over some of the stuff that the case offers. So we got full body rugged clear bumper case with built-in screen protector, and it offers 360-degree protection with a kickstand supposedly. And you can see it is indeed for the Samsung Galaxy S8 there. And then the company, which is yDreamj, has all of their social media things there. So you can follow them on Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Google+, so on and so forth. And moving around to the other part of the box, you can see, again, just a better representation of the case on the device. Really nice packaging, nothing on the sides. Alright. And then here we have it, similar to the other case unboxing. So you can see it has a nice filler on it with some plastic. So let's throw the box off to the side. Alright. Crack this out. Good stuff there. Oh wow, the whole thing is wrapped in plastic. Let me be quiet now so y'all can enjoy this. Alright. And now we have to figure out how to separate this. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright, I figured it out. So it's similar to the other full body protective cases that I've looked at for devices like the Droid Turbo, for the Essential phone, so on and so forth. So it comes all together, and you got to kind of work your nail in there to separate it, and then you work your finger around, and then there you have it. Okay, so here's the screen protector portion. Looks like that's covered in some protective plastic as well. I think it's on the outside. Yes, it is. Alright. So, basically just a plastic screen protector. Alright, and y'all already know how that goes. So, if you're adventurous enough, you can indeed pop this out, get you a tempered glass screen protector similar to what I have on the S8 already, and then you'll be fully good to go. Or maybe the sensitivity is good enough for it to work through the plastic, through the tempered glass. We're going to find out. Alright, so this is the screen protector portion. Good stuff. Rest that off to the side real quick. And let's see. Had our little filler here with a little warning message there. Let me get that to focus. There you go. So y'all read that for yourself. Throw that off to the side. Alright. Oh, cool. They provided a tiny microfiber cleaning cloth if you want to wipe your device down before you put it in there. We already have one on deck, but it's good to see they included one. Let's see. What's this? Let me see. Installation instructions. Read before using case. Alright. Well, okay, so it's a combination of English and some other language I can't read. I think that's Chinese, maybe Japanese, not sure. So feel free to pause and read for yourself, guys. Alright. Make sure we get that nice and in focus. Okay, so that's that. And similar to what was on the packaging. So we'll throw this off to the side now. Also came with like a little magnet thingy. Not sure what this is for. But yeah, whatever. Alright. So now, let me see. Is there any other plastic that I missed? Oh, poor desk is turning into a mess. Okay. Got the plastic on the inside. Think we're ready to go. Alright. Now, let's take the S8 out of the iBazal case. This was a really sweet case. It provided, in fact, just enough grip while still maintaining protection. And it was really screen protector friendly. But y'all be on the lookout for that video. So let's pop it out of here. Throw this off to the side. Let's get the front. Because with these, it's always good to put the front on first. So let's see which way is the top and which way is the bottom. This looks like it's the cutout for your microphone hole. So that makes it the top. So let's see here, microphone hole. Alright, give me a second. Minimal struggles on camera I'm trying to get. Alright. Sorry, I know you guys don't like it when I keep pausing the video, but I don't want this video to take too long. So, if you don't have a screen protector on your device, you wipe down the front of your device, make sure it's real good. Then you put it on, you work it around, make sure everything snaps into place. And then this is what the screen protector portion looks like on the device. Okay. Alright, now let's put the back on. Oh, and you know what? That's supposed to be the kickstand. Right. This case is supposed to have a built-in kickstand. So that black piece is the kickstand portion. So now you just put the back on. Work it around. Being careful to fold over so you don't break the plastic portions. And get this all snug. And it does click into place, so you just work it around till it all clicks up. Alright. I gotta work this around a little bit more. Okay. So it's all nice and snug on there. Alright, and then you would just put the kickstand on the back. Okay, yes, because it's got a little bit of adhesive here. So you peel off the adhesive and then you stick it to the back. So I'm going to do that off camera and I will show you guys that in the full review. But this is what the case looks like on the device. So there you have it. Everything as flushed up as I can for right now. I believe it looks correct. So there you have it. We got full protection for the front, full protection for the bottom and the sides and the back, right? And we still have all the proper cutouts. So we got cutouts for the fingerprint sensor, bam, and it works no problem, okay? And it does look like it's working pretty good with the glass and the plastic screen protectors together. So that's really nice. Looks like I'm still getting maximum functionality here. So, yep, everything seems to be working. Drop down. Yep, it's all working good. Clearing notifications. Alright, good stuff. So, you can see we do have maximum protection for all of our cutout areas. Let me turn the device off real quick. Oh, cool. And it still stays very clicky. Let me see if y'all can hear that. I don't know how well it's going to come up on the mic, but it's still extremely clicky and everything works. Alright, so let's walk around these ports. So you see you got a protective flap for your USB Type-C charging port. Got a protective flap for your headphone jack. Alright, just push those back into place. Proper cutouts for your microphone and your speaker. All of your buttons are protected, so you got a protected power button here. Still got the cutout for your mic up top, so that's going to work no problem. Your volume buttons are still fully protected, and they maintain their clickiness. Don't know how well you guys can hear that. And your Bixby button, which also maintains its clickiness, and that seems to work whether the device is asleep or not. So there you guys go. Everything is protected, and one reason why I went with this case as opposed to something else was, one, the built-in kickstand, and two, this is also supposed to work with wireless charging. So I'll test that out in the full review and let you guys know how that's working. But this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the yDreamj full protective case for the Samsung Galaxy S8. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I post new videos. As always, all the links to where to purchase this case, as well as every other case that I did videos on for the Samsung Galaxy S8. So maybe you want that Jobs case, you know. Maybe you want that iBazal case, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you want that OMOTON case. All the links to these cases, including the yDreamj, will be located down below in the video description. So if this video has piqued your interest, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you, and you should be good to go. Now you guys stay tuned, because now that I got all the cases in-house, we're gonna go ahead and you know, start putting together a full inexpensive case review for the Samsung Galaxy S8. Alright, and that video should be coming out really soon. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.